although there's not like a hard or fast rule to really answer this question, but which Incoterms do you think are the best Incoterms to use? How would you answer that with this chart that we're looking at?
Well, yeah, it's definitely going to come down to your business decision and how much risk you want and how much control you want. We recommend you use an FCA or an F term because think about it this way. I mean, freight's not a tangible product, obviously, but if you're paying for it at the end of the day, if you're buying widgets at $1 a widget, but you're buying it delivered to your door, within that dollar is the cost of the freight somewhere in there. They're not doing it for free, and they probably might have some margin in the freight themselves, right? So if you're buying something, I mean, if I'm going to buy a car, I want to choose the color, I want to choose my accessories, I want the sunroof, I want that type of thing. And you don't get that if you buy on a term other than an F or an E. So with the F term, you're choosing your transit time, you're choosing your carrier, your forwarder, you're choosing, okay, I want to be notified on this milestone or that milestone. So that's why we recommend that. You get that control. Yeah, you bear some more risk, but you get the control out of it. And then you also get to control your costs. And I think also it gives you a huge advantage in just supply chain visibility.
So would you agree that it'd be best practice to buy on F terms and sell on C terms?
I would, correct. And then also if you're selling on a C term, you're showing the buyer that, hey, look, I got things in place. I have, all these processes I can do. I got all these agreements with my carriers, and it might just make your product a little bit easier to sell. It's if you make it easier for them. I mean, that's our job here for our customers at Scarborough is to make their jobs easier. So it just might show them that you can do that, and then additionally, you could put some margin in there yourself.
Mm-hmm.